Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products out there. Today, we're talking about the Tribello 2-pack dish pans for kitchen sink, the best dish pans you can find for your home. If you're looking for something that combines practicality with durability, then this is the product you don't want to miss. Let's dive right into why these dish pans are such a great choice for your household. First off, they come in a vibrant red color, perfect for brightening up your kitchen while serving a functional purpose. Made from high-quality plastic, these dish pans are sturdy, yet lightweight enough to be easily handled. Each one holds up to 12 quarts, making them spacious enough for most tasks, whether you're soaking dishes, washing small toys, or even cleaning delicate clothing. The Tribello 2-pack dish pans are designed with two molded handles on either side, which makes lifting and moving them a breeze. Whether you're carrying them to the sink or using them for storage, these handles ensure that you can get the job done comfortably. And, since they're made from non-porous plastic, they're incredibly easy to clean, ensuring they'll stay looking fresh and new for a long time. Not just for the kitchen, these dish pans are incredibly versatile. They can be used for a variety of other tasks around the house as well. From foot baths to storage containers in the pantry, or even as a handy wash bucket for outdoor activities, these dish pans cover a lot of ground. They can fit into a standard single or twin-sized kitchen sink, which means you get extra space for washing or soaking without crowding your sink. Another key feature is their durability. These are not your typical flimsy plastic bins. The heavy-duty construction ensures that these dish pans will stand the test of time. They're built to last, so you don't have to worry about cracking or breaking under normal use. Made in the USA, these dish pans represent a great blend of American craftsmanship and high-quality materials. Whether you're using them for everyday tasks or special cleaning jobs, you'll appreciate their ability to get the job done efficiently. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable, spacious, and durable dish pan that won't let you down, the Tribello 2-pack dish pans for kitchen sink are a perfect choice. They offer the versatility and durability you need for all your household needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.